Wet litters spread the diseases very fast. In this video, I will show you how to keep your pen dry always. I'm Chijendo Ryan from Perfect Academy. Oh yeah, let's go into my pen. Here are some ways to keep your litters dry during rainy season. One, use good litters, good beddings like for me I use a wood shaving. Sorry, for me I use sawdust. It's okay for me, but you can use a wood shaving or rice dust. Then the next thing is you need to have either nylon or cotton or whatever thing that you use, or tarpaulin, to block rain from entering your pen whenever it is raining. Because when rain enters your pen, it will make the litters to be wet. Then the next thing is try to change the litters from time to time, like during rainy season, when everywhere gets wet easily. You can change them every 3 days. Like for me, I change every 3 days when the weather is wet. Then during hot weather that everywhere used to be dry, I used to change after 4 days or 5 days. Then another thing is don't keep their drinkers on the ground. You see what I constructed, you can do it yourself. Just get a used plank and 2x2 or 2x4, get your nail and the jigsaw and construct it yourself. No need to pay anybody, because with this now they can hardly pour the water, and it is very safe for them. It doesn't get contaminated. Then another thing is avoid overcrowding. Because whenever your pen is overcrowded, it will definitely lead to wet litters. Then if you have any place that is leaking, like you see, as in if you have any leaking roof, use anything. I use the flash band to block every leakage. And if you see any wet spots, replace it with dry one. And with this now, you can keep your pen dry always during rainy season and after the rainy season. But if you want to know more things about how to raise a healthy broiler chicken during rainy season, watch this video.